To add the list to a SharePoint page, follow these steps. Open SharePoint site. Navigate to the SharePoint site where you want to add the list. Access the page. Go to the page where you want to display the list. Click Edit in the top right corner to enter editing mode. Add the web part. Click on the plus icon or add the web part button at the location on the page where you want to insert the list. This will open the web part gallery. Select the list web part. In the web part gallery, search for a list or document library and select it. This allows you to display a list or library on your page. Choose the list. After selecting the list web part, you'll be prompted to choose which list you want to display. A list of available lists on the site will appear. Select the desired list and click Add or Save. Configure the web part. Adjust settings as needed, such as the view or display options, by clicking the pencil icon or Edit web part. Publish the page. Once the list is configured and displayed correctly, click Republish or Save to apply the changes to the page.